Welcome to Daily Dose of English by Langmaster. Are you living alone and sharing a house or renting an apartment? Today, you'll learn over 50 real-life English phrases to describe your lovely home. We'll practice using the shadowing technique. First, listen carefully and then repeat after me. Part 1. Describing types of housing. Detached house. My parents live in a detached house which does not share any walls with neighboring structures. Semi-detached house. We live in a semi-detached house connected to one neighbor. Terraced house. They bought a terraced house in the city center, which is one in a row of identical houses that share side walls. Apartment. I live in a small apartment near my office, which is part of a larger building with many units. Studio flat. He rents a studio flat where the living area, bedroom, and kitchen are all in one room. Bungalow. My grandparents enjoy living in a bungalow, which is a one-story house with no stairs. Council house. They were raised in a council house, which is public housing provided by the government. Rented accommodation. I live in rented accommodation while saving money to buy a house of my own. Shared house. We live in a shared house with some friends. My own place. After years of saving, I finally bought my own place that is truly mine. Part 2. Describe house size. One bedroom unit. I'm renting a one-bedroom unit that is perfect for a couple. Two-story house. We live in a two-story house with bedrooms upstairs and a kitchen downstairs. Compact flat. He bought a compact flat that makes the most of every square meter. Spacious villa. They moved into a spacious villa with a big garden and 4 bedrooms. Penthouse suite. She lives in a penthouse suite on the top floor with stunning city views. Modest home. They built a modest home in the suburbs. Simple, but comfortable. Part 3. Describe house location. In the city center. I live in the city center, so I can walk to work and go shopping easily. In a quiet neighborhood. It's in a quiet neighborhood, perfect for relaxing after work. Near public transport. The apartment is near public transport, so it's easy to go anywhere. Close to school. Our house is close to school, which is convenient for the kids. By the beach. They have a house by the beach with beautiful sea views. Part 4. Describing rooms. Soundproof music room. I have a soundproof music room where I can play the guitar late at night without bothering anyone. Well-lit study. My well-lit study has a big window that lets in plenty of natural light. Neatly organized storage room. I finally turned our messy corner into a neatly organized storage room. Everything has its place now. Spacious living room. My spacious living room has a lot of space, where you can move around easily and put a lot of furniture. Fully fitted kitchen. My fully fitted kitchen has all the necessary appliances like a microwave, oven, stove, and dishwasher. Luxuriously designed bathroom. My luxuriously designed bathroom has a rainfall shower, marble tiles, and a huge mirror. Peaceful backyard garden. Our peaceful backyard garden is where I drink tea every morning. Bright and airy attic. I turned our bright and airy attic into a reading nook with a sky lit above. Elegantly styled guest bathroom. The elegantly styled guest bathroom in our home always gets compliments. Well-maintained front yard. My dad kept trimming the grass so that our well-maintained front yard always looks perfect. Part 5. Describe furniture and decoration. Cozy armchair. I love sitting on my cozy armchair with a cup of tea and watching the rain. Vintage decorations. Our living room has vintage decorations, an old clock, a wooden radio, and framed black and white photos. Minimalist design. I like the minimalist design of my bedroom. It only has a bed, a desk, and one painting. Soft lighting. We use soft lighting in the dining area. The warm glow makes dinner feel more relaxing. Colorful cushions. The colorful cushions on my sofa make the whole room feel lively. Marble kitchen island. Our spacious marble kitchen island is where I chop vegetables and drink coffee every morning. Rustic wooden bookshelf. My rustic wooden bookshelf is filled with classic novels and travel books. Elegant glass coffee table. The elegant glass coffee table in my living room holds magazines, a candle, and a tiny plant. Part 6. Describe special features. Balcony with plants. The small balcony with plants and a chair is my favorite place to relax with a cup of tea in the morning. Walk-in closet. Her spacious walk-in closet for clothes and shoes keeps everything organized and easy to find. Floor-to-ceiling windows. The floor-to-ceiling windows in my apartment bring in sunlight and offer a stunning view of the city's skyline. Built-in shelves. The built-in shelves in the living room are filled with books, small plants, and souvenirs from my travels. Rooftop terrace. Our rooftop terrace is the perfect spot to hang out with friends and watch the sunset after a long day. Under bed storage. I keep extra blankets, shoes, and winter clothes neatly tucked away in the underbed storage. Part 7. Describe house and furniture condition. Well maintained. The house is well maintained and clean, even though it's old. Spotless. The kitchen is spotless. I can tell you clean it regularly. Newly renovated. We moved into a newly renovated flat with a fresh design. A bit run down. The building is a bit run down, but the rent is cheap. Cracked. The walls are cracked and old, so we plan to repaint them soon. Outdated. The bathroom is small and outdated, but at least everything still works. Part 8. Describe feeling in the house. Warm and welcoming. Her home feels warm and welcoming, with candles and soft music. Peaceful atmosphere. I enjoy the peaceful atmosphere in my home after a long day. Cluttered space. His room is a cluttered space with things everywhere. Inviting. The decorations make it feel inviting. I love the colors and lights. A retreat. This place feels like a retreat from the busy city life. A bit chaotic. The kitchen is a bit chaotic, especially when everyone's cooking at once. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing. Your words will be more professional. Please like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.